Hello everyone, myself Sushma Shetty, B.Ed first year student from KLS College of Education, Ankola. So today we'll discuss important GK question for competitive exam. Let's begin. Question 1. Who is called as the father of GST in India? Option A. Arun Jaitley. Option B. Indira Gandhi. Option C. Manmohan Singh. Option D. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And the correct answer is option D, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Here is the picture of Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the man behind GST in India. He was the man who dreamed of GST and made every possible of his role and power to expand the idea of GST within the country and fellow mates. Second question, when did the Indian Constitution came into force? Option A, 15th August 1947. Option B, 26 January 1947. Option C, 15 January 1950. Option D, 26 January 1950. And the correct answer is option D, 26 January 1950. So the Constitution Day is also called as Samvidhan Divas, is celebrated in our country on 26 November every year to commemorate the adoption of Constitution in India. On 26 November 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted the Constitution of India. The Constituent Assembly came into force on 26 January 1950. Third question, who was the first chief of Indian Army? Option A, General K.M. Cariappa. Option B, General Maharaja. Option C, Rajendra Singh. Option D, none of this. And the correct answer is option A, General K.M. Cariappa. Field Marshal Kodandera Madappa Cariappa was born on 28 January. He is one of only two of Indian Army officers to hold 5-star rank of Field Marshal. The other being Field Marshal Sam Manek Shah. Fourth question, which Indian state has least literacy rate? Option A, Bihar. Option B, Assam. Option C, Mizoram. Option D, Sikkim. And the correct answer is option A, Bihar. So Bihar has the literacy rate of 63.82%, Assam 72.19%, Sikkim 81.42%, Mizoram 91.33%. So Kerala has the highest literacy rate in India of 94%. Fifth question, which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? Option A, nanometer. Option B, hydrometer. Option C, barometer. Option D, none of this. And the correct answer is option C, barometer. So nanometer is used to measure wavelength of light and distance between atoms in molecules. Hydrometer, which is used to measure the relative density of liquid direction. And barometer, which is used to measure atmospheric pressure. Sixth question, India's first ethanol plant was inaugurated in option A, West Bengal. Option B, Bihar. Option C, Punjab. Option D, Kerala. And the correct answer is option B, Bihar. Here are some of the important news. India's first 24/7 solar power village, which is at Modhera, Gujarat. India's fully literate district, Mandla, Madhya Pradesh. India's first private train service from Coimbatore to Shirdi. World's first Vedic clock, Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. Seventh question, which organization releases the Indian Innovation Index? Option A, Niti Aayog. Option B, IIT Roorkee. Option C, Atal Innovation Center. Option D, Home Ministry. And the correct answer is option A, Niti Aayog. Indian Innovation Index 2022, major states come Karnataka, Northeast Manipur, Union Territories Chandigarh. And some other important news like State Energy Climate Index, larger states comes Gujarat, smaller state Goa, bottom Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Jharkhand. Present CEO of Niti Aayog is BVR Subramaniam. 8th question. Nobel Prize is given in how many fields? Option A 5, option B 4, option C 6, option D 7. And the correct answer is option C 6. Nobel Prize are awarded to people who have conferred the greatest benefit to humankind in the previous 12 months. Since 1901, the Nobel Prize has been awarded in the field of physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine, literature and peace, while a memorial prize in economic science was added in 1968. So, Nobel Prize is given in totally 6 fields. 9th question. Valley of Flower National Park is located in which state? Option A Sikkim, option B Karnataka, option C Uttarakhand, option D Himachal Pradesh. And the correct answer is option C Uttarakhand. Valley of Flower National Park is an Indian national park which was established in 1982. It is located in Chamoli in the state of Uttarakhand and is known for its meadows of endemic alpine flowers and variety of flora. As the name suggests, Valley of Flowers is a destination where nature blooms in full glory, offering a breathtaking experience. Exotic flowers like orchids, poppies, primulas, marigold are an eye-catching spectacles. Next question, find the next number of below sequence. So you have the series of number 30, 29, 27, 24, 20 and 15. And you have 4 different choices. Option A 10, option B 9, option C 11, option D 8. Which one do you think is the right one? Let's look at the correct answer now. The key to answer something like this in this type of question in general is to detect the pattern. So you just see the pattern here. So the number are decreasing every time you go from one number to next number, right? So here 29 is 1 less than 30 and 27 is 2 less than 29, 24 is 3 less than 27 and 20 is 4 less than 24, 15 is 5 less than 20. So the next difference would be 6, right? 6. And 15 minus 6 is 9. So 9 is 6 less than 15. So the correct answer is option B 9. Next question, find the missing value. Here one of the value is missing. What is the value in these 4 choices? Option A 3, option B 4, option C 5, option D 6. Obviously you would have to find the pattern and calculate the value. What do you guys think is the right answer here? Let's look at the answer now. Before I reveal the right answer, let me try to discuss with you the pattern. So in the last column, we can see 49, 64, 169, right? 49, 64, 169 are the square numbers. So 49 is the square root of 7, 64 is the square root of 8, 169 is the square root of 13, right? 1 plus 4 plus 2 equals to 7. 7 square is 49. 4 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 8. 8 square is 64. And here is the missing number. But we have 5 plus 3 which is equals to 8. But we should get 13, right? 13 square equals to 169. 13 minus 8 is 5. If we put this 5 in the missing place, we get 5 plus 5 plus 3 which is equals to 13. 13 square is 169. And the missing value is 5. Now look at this question which is frequently used as verbal reasoning or aptitude test. If you rearrange the letters C, I, F, A, I, P, C, you would have the name of an option A, country, option B, city, option C, ocean, option D, river. Can you guess it? Let's look at the answer now. CIFAIPC can be rearranged as PACIFIC. Pacific. Pacific is an ocean. Probably heard the term Pacific Ocean, right? So the correct answer is option C, ocean. Thank you for watching.